In this experiment, I'm going to investigate how the frequency of oscillation, so how many oscillations there are each second, depends on the length of the ruler. And I'm going to start off with a really long ruler, and then I'm going to make the ruler shorter and shorter, and record the time for 10 oscillations, and then I can work out the frequency. I don't need to pull the ruler a long way. I only need to be able to see the oscillations. So when we do this experiment, we shouldn't be aiming to overstretch the rulers and break them. We just need them to shake up and down. Now you'll notice also that on this ruler I've added 100 grams on the end of the ruler just to slow the oscillations down and make them easier to record. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to release the ruler, and then I'm going to count 10 oscillations and time how long those 10 oscillations take. So as I release it, I start the stop clock, and after 10 oscillations, I stop it. And after 10 oscillations, I had a time of 9.72 seconds. So I'm going to record that on my results table, 9.72 seconds. Okay, what I want to do now is to make the ruler slightly shorter. So at the moment it's 90 centimeters. I'm just going to reduce its length by 10. And I can use the ruler graduations themselves to allow me to get to 80. So I put 80 on the edge of the table. And then exactly the same as before, I'm going to reset my stop clock, and I'm going to release the ruler, start the stop clock, and record 10 oscillations. And again, I record the time. This time I got 8.13 seconds. So I'm going to record the time on my table. You notice it's quicker, so I'm going to have to be a bit speedier each time I make it shorter, and record the oscillations all the way down to about 30 centimeters, which will give me enough results to plot a graph. Okay, once I've got the time for 10 oscillations, I can calculate by dividing by 10. I can find the time for one oscillation. So that would be 0.972 for one oscillation. And then I can use that value to find my frequency to plot a graph.